All right, let's be honest for a second. Most guys don't wake up thinking, how can I be 10% more attractive today? That's not how we operate. We're thinking about getting out the door on time, answering emails, hitting the gym, handling life. We like simple. We like efficient. We are not trying to add a 12-step beauty routine to the morning. But what if I told you there's a $5 item sitting in your bathroom right now that can instantly make you look cleaner, sharper, and more put together? Yeah, I'm talking about Vaseline. And no, not just for cracked heels or random household hacks. When you use it the right way, it's one of the most underrated grooming tools out there. The key words there are the right way, because most guys either overdo it and look like a Krispy Kreme donut, or they use it wrong and blame the product. So before we get into anything, you need to understand one thing. Vaseline is not a moisturizer. Let me say that again. It is not a moisturizer. It's a seal. Think of it like a lid on a cup. If the cup is empty, putting a lid on it does nothing. But if the cup is full of water, that lid keeps everything inside. That's exactly how Vaseline works. It locks in moisture. It doesn't create it. So here's the rule you cannot skip. Always apply it to clean, slightly damp skin. That's how you trap hydration without clogging pores or breaking out. Simple, crucial, don't ignore it. Now let's talk about how to actually use this stuff to level up your appearance. First, fragrance. You ever spray cologne in the morning, feel amazing for about 45 minutes, and then by lunchtime it's completely gone? You're sniffing your wrist like, was that just in my imagination? Here's the fix. Before you spray your fragrance, dab a tiny bit of Vaseline on your pulse points, wrists, neck, behind the ears. It gives your cologne something to hold on to. Think of it like an anchor for the scent. When you spray over it, the fragrance lasts noticeably longer. Same cologne, better performance. If you want to take it a step further, you can melt a small spoonful of Vaseline, mix in a few sprays of your cologne, let it cool, and now you've got your own solid cologne. It's gym bag ready, travel friendly, and actually works. Now let's move up to something subtle that makes a bigger difference than most guys realize: your eyebrows. Relax, I'm not telling you to sculpt them into perfection. But well-groomed brows frame your face. They add structure. They make you look sharper without anyone knowing why. Take the smallest amount of Vaseline, rub it between your fingers, and lightly brush it through your brows. That's it. They'll sit in place, look slightly fuller, and give you that clean, intentional look. Not shiny, not stiff, just controlled. While we're up there, let's talk about your hair. This is not hair gel. This is not heavy styling cream. This is controlled polish. If your hair looks dry, frizzy, or just slightly chaotic, warm up a fingertip-sized amount of Vaseline between your palms and very lightly run your hands over your hair. And I mean lightly. You want healthy shine, not grease. Done right, your hair looks smoother and more intentional, like you chose the style, instead of rolling out of bed and hoping for the best. Now here's something that can completely change how put together you look, especially up close: your lips. Nothing kills confidence faster than realizing mid-conversation that your lips feel like sandpaper. The fix is simple. At night, after brushing your teeth, run your toothbrush under warm water and gently exfoliate your lips for about 20 seconds. Then, while they're still slightly damp, apply a thin layer of Vaseline. That's it. By morning, your lips are smooth, healthy, and clean looking. No cracks, no weird shine, just well kept. Let's talk about tired eyes. We've all had late nights. Work, scrolling, life. If you don't want to look exhausted the next morning, after washing your face at night, take a rice-sized amount of Vaseline and gently tap it under your eyes. In the morning, rinse with cool water. It helps lock in moisture overnight so the skin looks smoother and less dull. You're not magically erasing dark circles, but you will look more refreshed. There's also something called slugging, which sounds weird but is actually simple. It just means applying a thin layer of Vaseline as the final step in your nighttime routine to seal everything in. You don't even have to do your whole face, just dry areas, around your nose, cheeks in winter, irritated spots. You wake up, rinse it off, and your skin feels noticeably smoother. If you shave, this is where Vaseline really earns its place. After shaving, rinse with warm water, pat dry, apply your regular moisturizer, and then seal it in with a small amount of Vaseline. It reduces friction, helps prevent irritation, and keeps your lines looking crisp longer. If you struggle with razor bumps on your neck, this one step can make a serious difference. And for anyone who wears earrings, if you ever deal with irritation from studs or hoops, lightly coat the post with a tiny bit of Vaseline before putting it in. It reduces friction and dryness. Just make sure everything is clean first so you're not trapping bacteria. Here's the bottom line. Vaseline isn't some magical transformation product. It's not going to turn you into a different person overnight. But when you use it correctly, it's one of the cheapest, most effective grooming tools you can own. It helps you look cleaner, more intentional, and more put together with almost zero effort. So here's what I want you to do. Grab that jar sitting in your bathroom and actually try 1 or 2 of these tonight. Test it for yourself. See the difference. Small adjustments add up.
If you're serious about leveling up as a man, subscribe and become the best version of yourself.